lot of sunshine today, and it's going to be another beautiful day tomorrow to end off the weekend, moving into the first full week of the month. Now, we do have moderate conditions for ocean or winds. No advisory posted, but we are expecting breezy conditions to continue. But we do have, as a result of that, a small craft advisory in effect for most of the state until tomorrow evening as those northeasterly winds continue to breeze through. Now, with those winds, we're having these low-level clouds brush in from the east, and not much moisture associated with that. There was a lot of cloud coverage and whatever little extra moisture for the east end of the state coming through. And this evening, we are seeing a bunch of pockets of moisture that continue to come in. So we're expecting to see an increase of these windward showers as we get in through the midnight hours and into the early morning hours of tomorrow. But as the afternoon progresses tomorrow, we expect drier conditions to prevail across all the islands. Now, as I mentioned, we had a lot more cloud coverage for the east end of the state, kind of coming all the way up to Oahu and then leaving Kauai with beautiful blue skies throughout most of the day. And that's going to be another day that we're seeing for tomorrow. Now, the islands are situated between these two high-pressure systems, giving us a beautiful, stable atmosphere, not much going on. This high-pressure system towards the northwest will continue to sit there, which will keep our trade winds going. But there's going to be another upper-level disturbance bringing in some very cooler air from that same direction. So that's going to be pushing down towards the state around Tuesday into Wednesday. A result of that will be a weakening in our trade winds down to about 15 miles per hour sustained. Shower activity and moisture-wise, most of the showers that we will see increase will be for the west end of the state, as that's the direction this disturbance is coming in through. But as we're looking for tomorrow, another beautiful day outside, we are going to be still seeing those clouds come in from the east and northeast. So you can expect some isolated showers to linger over on the windward sides, leaving central and leeward sides fairly dry throughout the day. Looking at tomorrow morning, Hilo looking to start off the day at a 30% chance of rain, while Kailua Kona is the complete opposite. Hana looks to be another breezy day outside with some early morning showers, leaving Oahu with a beautifully dry day along with the island of Kauai. In terms of our waves, our Nalu, we're looking at some 4 to 6 footers up north, 2 to 4 for the west, flat to 2 down south. A bit choppier conditions, 3 to 6 on the east-facing shores as our northeasterly trades will continue for the next 2 days. Breezy conditions start to ease off as we move in through the middle of the week. That's going to bring some increased moisture with that upper-level disturbance, but short-lived. As we get into the next weekend, trade should be strengthening and blue skies should be returning. Sam, we'll give it back to you.